All right. So again, I have this polynomial here, but notice there's no b term. There is a couple ways that I can look at this, but the first thing I need to do, as always, I want to see if I have a GCF. I do have a GCF of 4. 36 divided by 4 is going to give me 9m squared, and 100 divided by 4 is going to give me 25. Now, this is a special relationship called a difference of squares. But I realize that that kind of sometimes can be easy to or hard to remember. But on your star reference sheet, if you notice that there's no bx term, you'll notice that when you have a squared minus b squared, that's going to be equal to the factors a minus b and a plus b. So, in other words, you want to think of a number of that will multiply by itself to give you 9. And you know that is going to be 3 and 3. Same with 25. The number multiplied by itself is going to be 5 and 5. So, when we write this out in this format of a minus b, I know that this is going to become 4 times 3m minus 5 times 3m plus 5. So we know based on that relationship that those are going to be the three factors. Now, there's another way that we can look at that, and that's using the area model. Again, I would want to put 4, and I'm going to put my box. So let's say you completely forgot about how or don't understand this format and how to utilize that format, and you're used to doing the area model. So I'm going to go ahead and do my area model. So I'm going to do m squared, and I'm going to do minus 25. So you got to think of the product of 9 times negative 25. But you know that here, so this equal to, whatever's in here, one needs to be negative and one needs to be positive, and that sum is going to be equal to 0. So whatever number is going to be in there is going to be the same number. Now, 9 times 25 is going to give me a big number. So let me see here. 9 times 25 is going to give me 225. So our product is 225. Now, if you realize this and you think about this, 225 is a perfect square. So if I take the square root of 225, that is going to give me 15. So this should be minus 15 and positive 15. Okay, so then you would know, now we can work out our products. Now you know that this is not going to be 9 and m because 15 is not divisible by 9. This is going to be 3m and 3m. Now going from here, you'll see that this is going to be plus 5 and this is going to be minus 5. I did that setup a little fast, but that's okay. Should be review at this point.